Good evening, namaste. Hi everyone, how are you all?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, hi.
Yeah, wish you all a very happy Dasara, happy Vijayadashami, and a special day today, auspicious for multiple reasons. One is we are starting the fresh batch on Dasara. Anything you start on Dasara is always successful. And coincidentally, Ganesha festival also we celebrate in our house today. Last time we could not do it on Ganesha Chaturthi day. So today we had a Ganesha festival also. So we have a lot of blessings. Okay, so those who are willing to see, you can see the Bombay at our house. Then we'll take you to the classes. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳು?
Yes.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ದೋಸು ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ? ಯಾ,
Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ಆನ್ ದ
sir.
ಟಾಪ್ ಪಟ್ಟದ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ದುರ್ಗಾ, ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ದಶಾವತಾರ. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನಾದ್ರು?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ದಿವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆಶಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಟೀಚರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ Bombays have been kept. Then all Dashavatara, all those. Right. So, right. With this, let us start with the auspicious. Okay. So, how are you all? Long time no see. Hengidiro?
On top of the world, sir.
On top of the world, sir.
I welcome each one of you to the beautiful course called CA. Welcome back to CA course again. And probably the best journey of CA starts at intermediate. No doubt foundation is good, but the real education, okay, of CA starts at intermediate, because the subjects what we are going to handle, the approach what we are going to have, just 30 level, what you say, next level. So I welcome each one of you to this. Yes, so just to clarify before we start the subject analysis, CA has got 3 stages of examination. CA foundation, if you are from PU background, or 11th and 12th, first BCom, second BCom. Then after that intermediate, then final. Then if you are from a BCom background, if you are in final BCom or complete graduation, no foundation required. You can directly get into CA intermediate. CA intermediate, fine. Now, first time in the history where CA course has become so easy after May 24. Before May 24, it was easy, decently easy, but it is not as easy the way it is now. The reasons are plenty. Reason number 1, they removed all the standard subject. I'm stressing on this point because either you have heard that CA is tough. Because yes, 1 or 2 subject, I remember some of them passing CA intermediate, one group in the first shot, just because of infotech, they are taking multiple attempts. Okay, maybe some of them would have quit CA also because of it. Am I audible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So they have removed infotech. Second point is there is no complicated subject as of now at intermediate and final. Be very honest, foundation friends, you may not like it, but it is a fact. Foundation law and intermediate law, both are actually easy subject. They are not complicated. But from the point of view of getting the marks, intermediate law is chiller, because 70% is one of the easiest law what you learnt in your foundation. That's company law. So Indian contract, I'm very factual, I'm very practical also, very pragmatic also. Jenny Vatsal, namaskara. Shetty sir is here. Focus madam. Yeah. So foundation law, it is easy, but because of the Indian Contract Act, there are some what you call special contract, it would have been tough. But intermediate law is easy. So second point. Third point is every subject of intermediate, there is a 30% MCQ. And MCQs are not like your foundation, inky, pinky, donkey, father had a donkey, adalla. Okay. Here you have to apply your application based MCQ. Now, first class only I'm telling you, If you see, sir, foundation tarane maths, economics, I'll do it. No, that's not going to work out. You apply the law, understand the subject, and implement, then you'll get. And here, 15 MCQs into 2 marks per MCQ. Not like your foundation, Dhruti. Here, 1 MCQ get 2 marks. Okay, 90% the case, 95% same. So almost every question 2 marks. Why? Because you need to apply the mind. Only maybe 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That's it. Here, how did you get that figure? That's why MCQs either make or break as usual. You should not think MCQ as MCQ. You should think like a normal paper, normal discussion, even in accounts. How did I get this figure? How did I get this valuation? Everything you have to solve and then do it. Okay. And 30% MCQ Bhavana D, where without any negative marks. There is no negative marks. So foundationally you had a tension. Sorry, if I tick wrongly, something goes wrong. What maximum what you can lose? Only the ink, fraction of seconds. Okay. Nothing else you lose. So intermediately, there is no concept called negative marks as far as the MCQs are concerned. And every subject, intermediate and final. CAP students, you do not have an option. You have to write all 6 subjects. 10th, you wrote 6 subjects. PUC, you wrote 6 subjects. However, if you want, C Institute has given you the option. You can write 2 groups, 3 subjects each. So you want to write in January 3 subject, May 3 subject, etc. But I do not give. I will not give. Extreme case, some family people, those who are having a family commitment, some issues will be there. At the time of examination, we'll decide. Otherwise, writing one group is not suggested. Reasons are plenty. 10th PUC only you wrote 6 subject. What is there to write 3 subject here? One. Second point is, in Kannada we say no. Devaru kotru, Pujari kottilla. The C Institute Devaru. They have given you to write 2 groups, but I will not give you. Okay. Because take the simple maths which I have seen last 25 years. I write the exam. Not necessary that for me all 6 subjects are easy. Impossible. Sir, I love all 6 subjects. That means you are lying. Atava, impossible that all 6 subjects are tough. That's all. That means yen kisi life I can't. Pratyush. So what practically happens, 1 or 2 subjects will be difficult for everybody. It is a different fact that some of you may like Radhip sir, some of you may like Shetty sir, some of you may like SMS sir. It's all fine. But it is not you don't like anyone or you like everyone. Possible, reasonably, you like reasonably, like me. I like every subject. Okay. So it's a rare case. But 1 or 2 subjects you may not like. It's possible. It's okay. So out of 6 subjects, let us assume 2 subjects you are not very comfortable. Even if you get less mark, it's okay. Example number 1. First group only, I get out of 300, I should get 150. Everybody is understanding. Every artha agta idea. Sabko samajh mein aa raha hai? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
300
Yes,
sir. Tanya, nanige 150 per bag. Everybody should know. That is same pass marks. 300 because 3 subject. How much you should get? 150. Second group again, I should write 300 and 150. Now if I write, assuming I write, now I write first group. I got 300 only, 200 I got. People have got 200, 250 also, capsule bandade. 200. Second group only, next when I wrote, I got all 3 paper 40, 40, 40. You got 120, you are written separately, you are not passed. Whereas, if I write all 6 subjects together, first group 200, second group 120, both group is clear. Because minimum 40 in each paper, 40 into 6, I should get 300. Whereas if I write 2 groups separately, I do not get the set off benefit. At least 25% of the students in CA course they pass because of the set off concept. Some of you are not understood. Innonsala heltini. Different language I can use. Mainly teaching will happen in English. However, wherever required, some people may require Hindi translation. Anything and everything will do it. Okay, Pritika? Fine. So, first, I write, let's take simple example. First, I write. I always written both the group and by God's grace, everything I've done in one shot. So I write, first group, I got, let's say, 60 into 3. How much you get? 180. Second group, minimum 40 to aana chahiye. 40 into 3, 120. 180 plus 120, exactly 300, I passed. Because minimum kitna aana chahiye, Aditya? 40. Average, I should get to 50%. So, I got how much, Aditya? 300 out of 600, I passed. Okay, bro?
50% is pass.
Pass. Whereas if I write these two separately, I wrote first group now, passed. Second group later I wrote 120. 120 is not passed. Again, all the three subjects you're right. And n number of examples we have were passed with setup. Every batch, I have results here. Results book only it is there. If you want, I can just read out. Every batch, it may be intermediate or final. Foundation, that concept doesn't arise because of the, because of the, the one group. There is no two groups, bro. There is only one group. Okay. Where the question of, what do you call, I'm just randomly taking some book. Okay. Whoever wants to take. Okay. All of you listening?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
For some of them, it may not be relevant because they individually got, Samarth KR, Taja, May 2025 result book. I just randomly I took it. Okay, not that I prepared. Samarth KR, first group, correct? Look at this. Wow, this is amazing. So, first group 148. So, if you get 148 out of 300, pass or fail? Normally.
Fail.
Not pass. Second group, he got 152 out of 300. Pass or fail?
Pass.
Now, assuming I write first group now, second group later, I pass only one group, where this gentleman, and that too, he was in the middle of the batch. Okay, so there are some friends, you have to listen carefully. Kannu open madkodu, kivi open madkodu. He joined, so he joined little late because of some issues. Foundation was number 2 but college is much join ada. Middle of the batch, sumne barela kelada. And he was attending the batch. I think Bhavana, you may be aware of it. Okay, he was attending Chitralekha. You asked them, anything I talk is sensitive. So in between the batch, he was attending the class. And I told, you go and write. He went and wrote and he cleared both the group. If you can see here, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮರ್ಥ KR ಅಂತ 11th ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
Yes, sir.
148, 152 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, I'm sure 99% of the people will know me and you trust me. Some new friends also. You cannot imagine that I started writing all these results now. I just randomly took it. Like that, n number of examples we have. Okay, where? On dot. Syed Moinuddin, 159 first group. Second group, 143. First is one page only I'm giving. Can't say Janma Syed Moinuddin,
Yes.
159 and 143. So individually, if you would have written, you would not have passed. He passed because of the set off. And there are n number of examples. This is only one page of the result. You have seen two people passing the set off. So like that, n number of examples. That's why you start preparing from the day one for both the group. Okay. So now one of the major reasons why we are restarting this batch, because no doubt CSTUT has done this with a good intention of 3 exams per year. But there are some issues happening. So it may look totally unrelated. I'll tell you one small incident which happened. Water bottle. Yeah, arms. Yeah. So I was going to Mangalore in a car. Every time people used to say, sir, Mangalore go ali Hidiyur ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ದೆನ್ ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಊಟ ಸಕದ, ಹಿಡಿಯೂರು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು, ಹಿರಿಯೂರು ಅಂತ something ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಊಟ ಸಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಸಾದ. ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ, whenever I go to the temple, I always fresh water. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದ್ರಿ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Right, thank you. Bandro. Come, LB. Yeah. See, all this. So we keep Ganesha with Kabbu. There are the photos, but the photos correspond. Share them. Okay, right now. Bye, draw. Joragala.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ಬು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬಾ ನಂಗೆ ಉರ್ಸೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು ಬಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗು. ಹೇಳು ಭರತ್ ಹೇಳೋ, ಅವಳು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ LBM ಇತ್ತು, ಊಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು.
ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಹೇಳು.
ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ, ಖರ್ಜೂರದ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ, ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ,
ಪಾಯಸ,
ದೋಸಾ,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು
ಪಾಯಸ.
ಬಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇವರೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯಾವುದು ಕರ್ಜಿ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ ಕರ್ಜಿ ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ಅವಳು ಎಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವಳು ಭಾವನ ಅಂತ ಬಿ ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾವನ ಎಲ್ ಬಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಯಾ ಸೊ I was going to that Edur and there we had a darshan and we went for eating ಪ್ರಸಾದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಲಾವ್ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಸೊ ನೋ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅರೆ ಈ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನೀವು ಕೈಕಾಲು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಥಂಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ ಸರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಸ್ಸಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರಶ್ ಟು ದ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬರೋದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂಡ್ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಕಾಲು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ ನೋ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ the bus being made free and having an impact on the temple prasadam is unimaginable. Okay, same way. Yeah, relax. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so. Thank you, bro. So thank you. Yeah. So same way. In CA course, all of you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In CA course. Okay. When you write all the subject, it has got multiple other benefits. Okay, multiple other benefits. You need to take care. Just write both the groups. However, if you have written one group and if you have passed one group, then you leave it. Otherwise, write both the group and prepare. Now, what the that he do is 3 years we did it. We are also having little. We had a beautiful flow because of that. Now, what happened? Moment this September exam happens. Our next batch is going to start for intermediate. Or any institute normally they start somewhere in January, February. And from January, February you start and your examination of intermediate is September. Class will happen 6 months, fired up to 6 months. When do you get the time to prepare? And every batch, at least after they introduce the intermediate 3 batches, I told the people, the moment you write the foundation exam, you join intermediate. Okay. And because of that, people will get 2 batches to attend RMs and they can excel in their educational career. 2 batches. Otherwise, so look at this. By joining this foundation, friends, by joining this batch, you get 2 batches. Whereas if you don't join, you will get 1 batch, no doubt. But very less time. And 30% of the people who are eligible for September, they will defer their exam to January. Ask your friends. So you are lucky. And yes, we started the classes. We went very slowly. 2 subjects we did. We decided we'll restart. We'll restart for everyone. So even if you're not attended earlier, you don't have to worry. Everything afresh will be starting. Okay. Only thing is we'll have a little more class. Earlier we used to have only morning classes. Okay. Earlier andre batch. Earlier otherwise also intermediate morning and evening classes. Okay. We'll have little extra classes. Come and enjoy. Is it clear? Yes. Fine. Sir. Right. So the procedure intermediate. Okay. Classes will be started today. I'll be starting after 10-15 minutes. Now 2-3 points. Who should join this batch? Yeah, 2-3 points. Number 1, those who already passed foundation, they should attend this intermediate batch. Those who have written foundation exam, thank you, sir. Yeah, those who have attended. Okay, right. So who should attend this batch? Number 1, whoever has passed foundation exam, maybe January, May, whatever. Second one, who has written the foundation exam. Whether you're from CAPS or not, doesn't matter the class. So then friends are issued attend. Overcome. Days they can take again. How the classes happen and then you decide. Second point. So I think you would have seen that poster being sent. Adanu I share ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So that there is no confusion. This is the Happy Dasara poster. ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಇದೆಯೋ ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಓದಕ್ಕ ಓದಿ ಭಾವನ ಓದೆ
CA Inter Fresh Batch starting from today, Thursday, 25th September 2025 at 7:30 p.m. evening.
Yeah,
Special
today I entered before 7:30. So, but we started little late because first class normally people have to join. So, prati sati offline online adontar tradition. I follow everything. ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ 0 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಫಾಲೋ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಮ್ದು ಗಣೇಶ ವಿಸರ್ಜನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 10 minutes I took extra. But otherwise 730 means 729. Normally 730 and 731 alla. Correct alla. Ask my foundation interference. Alvera Sachi? Oh Sachi.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಹೌದು.
ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ನಾದಿನಿ?
ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಹುಷಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀನು ಅವಳ ಅಣ್ಣ ನಿನಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫುಲ್ ಅವಳು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಎಸ್, ಒಳಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ.
Special batch for CA Foundation exam students of September 25. Who should join? Those who have written foundation exam in September 25. Those who are in final BCom or graduation. Those who have completed BCom or graduation. Those who have not yet joined CA Inter. Those who are busy with audit season can even join from 1st October 2025.
Now, some of them may be working in their office. September 30th, due date, they will be busy. You can inform them, they can join after 1st of October. Yes. Now, the Silver Jubilee, we are in the 25th year of CAPS. CA Foundation fees 12,501, Intermediate 31,608, CA Final 40,050. This is the fees for what? All those who are joining. Hello. Hi. Here's Sajendra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸದ್ಯ ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. whoever has passed, whoever is in final BCom or who is in graduation, they should join intermediate. For intermediate fees, whoever registered on or before 2nd of October, Gandhi Jayanti vare time ಇದೆ, 31,608. Whereas if you register after that, it's 36,000 is the fees. Okay, that is the regular fees because Silver Jubilee offer will be there till this date, 2nd October, because I didn't want my foundation friends to miss out. Fine. Now coming to Akka Yavadonu Otaralva, Ili. So, whoever is in CA Foundation, whoever has completed foundation, whoever is in final BCom, or whoever has done their BCom, they should join intermediate with the 31,608 before 2nd October. After that, it will be 36,000 fees. Point number 1. Point number 2. Now, foundation friends, sir, we have written the exam. How do we know the result will be favorable or not? We accept everything. Adakkoskara 2 options. Correct. So, all our foundation friends, whether it's a CAP student or non-CAP, doesn't matter because everybody is equal once you join here. Pay 10,000 rupees on or before 2nd October. Okay. So, 10,000 rupees. So, then results will be out by November 6th somewhere, November 5th or 6th. So, by God's grace, let us pray and wish that all of you pass. Then, whatever 31,608 minus 10,000 what you pay, differential fees you have to pay. Is it clear? So, after the result, maybe I'll give a couple of days time for paying. Whereas, unfortunately, touch wood, okay, my result is unfavorable. That fees will be carried forward. You write CA Foundation exam in January. Again, February will be just batch. At 31 minus 1,000. I stick to my word. Is it clear? Same fee. Unfortunately, you have unfortunately 2 batches to give. 2 batches you definitely will wait. Will not give for that. 2 batches also you think it is not happening. Then you will be refunded the fees. Entire 10,000. Provided you have not taken the CAPS material. If you have taken a CAPS material, whatever the cost of the material, maybe 2,000, 3,000, whatever, it will be deducted and balance amount will be paid. I hope I am very fair in my presentation. Understood what I said? So, second option, no sir, I am still highly shaky about my result. Then 5,000 rupees you have to pay now, just 5,000 rupees till the result. But your fees will be 36,000 and not 31,608. Okay. So, I repeat, clear. So, whoever has written foundation exam from any institution, whether it's a CAPS, whether it's other institute, doesn't matter. 2nd October ginta modulu 10,000 rupees if you pay. Next 2 batches, your intermediate fees will be 31,608. This batch and next batch. Is it clear? So, whatever amount you have paid minus, 31,608 minus 10,000, balance amount you have to pay. Now, unfortunately, after 2 batches, it's not happening until if you want, you will be refunded the 10,000 minus the cost of the books what you have taken. If you don't take the books, then entire 10,000. But without books, it's difficult for you to have education. Second point. No, sir, I'm highly shaken. You pay 5,000. Value without paying money, if you come to the classes, you will not have value. Pay 5,000 rupees. after the result, okay, you can continue, but the fees will be 36,000, not 31,608. I hope it is. I hope everybody understood. Artha aita? Are you clear about it? Right.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
couple of days, you just continue the classes even without paying the fees, no problem. Okay, so but decide why you should register immediately is, especially who are reasonably confident about foundation result, register because your friends have already got the material. Some of them already got the study material. You should also get the study material, caps material immediately. That's why it's better you register at the earliest. But anyhow, left your choice. Next, some of your friends would have written intermediate exam, maybe caps or non-caps, 2 RMS. If cash friends have written the exam, but they are shaky about their examination, tell them to attend this batch. This batch will not completely get over before 31st January. Okay. So it's mainly for a May batch, but still they can. So if they're CAT student, no extra fees because in CATs we allow you to attend 2 batches freely. If you're a non-CAT student, okay, sir, he has written the exam, but he's shaky. Then he can also pay 10,000 rupees, only not 5,000 because intermediate students. So if he has written intermediate examination, pay 10,000 rupees, wait for the result, and after the balance group, attend income tax law, don't pay anything because you would have paid for one. After result, 31,608 minus 20,000, whatever you have paid, balance amount only is applicable if required to attend one more group. Suppose, assuming I have joined for one group, so by paying 20,000 rupees. So, but sorry, I hope and pray that you pass one group. Then your 20,000 fees close. Unfortunately, it doesn't go well. Then you can attend the balance class also completely by paying balance amount. Are you crystal clear about the concept? Eldriga artha aita? Right. ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? CA ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆದವರು, CA ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದವರು, ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ yet to write the intermediate exam ಅಥವಾ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅವರದ್ದು ನೋ ಫೀಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಫೀಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಡಿಟ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದ್ದವರು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1st of October, 2nd October they can come and join. That's why I kept the time up to 2nd of October. So for foundation friends, so you can pay 10,000 rupees, get the material. After the result, balance fees ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you continue intermediate. Whereas 5,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ your fees will be 36,000 and not 31,608. Are you crystal clear about the concept? And one group, second group, don't bother. Attend all the classes. Okay. One group will prepare ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. If you return one of the exam, one of the groups, we wish all the best, but still attend the classes till the result because CA ನಲ್ಲಿ nothing is permanent. ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ವುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ CO ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಪ್ರತಿ ಶಾದಿ ಕಿತ್ನಾ ಬಾರ್ ಹೋತಾ है? शादी कितना बार होता है यूपी में? शादी
एक बार सर,
शादी बर्बादी 3 times हाँ?
one time.
अभी तो 1 time बोल रहा है. हाँ, नेक्स्ट ठीक है. राइट सन, या right. So anything regarding the and classes will be, so because we are starting late, my May friends ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ late ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See, there are everything we have to take care. Okay, so office going classes will happen Zoom online. We suggest you to keep the video on so that you can enjoy the education better. Like the moment someone is alerting here and there. So ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಧು is ಏನ್ ಸಿಂಧು? ಸಿಂಧು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಮದುವೆ ಆಯ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿಂಧು? ಸಿಂಧು T-shirt ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Right, okay. So I can observe what your people are doing it. I can always make a comment, all those things. Suggested that you can keep your video on. You can take a couple of days for keeping the video on, etc. Fine, but video on is always going to be suggested. Class will happen Zoom online, live. So morning, next week in the 6:45 to 10 with 15 minutes hogging break between. Okay, so normally 6:45 to 8:15 irutte. Then 8:15 to 8:30 you can have it. A short break, 8:30 to 10. And evening also will be there. So whereas still these 2 days, because in foundation friends papa innu niddele idare druti alvine, for that purpose, so morning Bhavanadi, morning 7 to 10, okay, with the 10-minute break we'll give. Tomorrow morning 7 o'clock and evening 7:30 to 9:30. So 9:30, okay, to 9:40 with the 10-minute break. So this is how the class. So next week in the regular schedule is morning 6:45 to 10 with the 15 minutes break, and evening you want 7 o'clock, we can start at 7 o'clock or 7:30 to 9:30. Okay, office going people are there at 7:30. That we will decide based on the majority opinion. Okay, is even if some people are getting affected because of 7 o'clock, I'll start at 7:30. But I prefer to start at 7 o'clock so that 9:30 hinging agodella beda. Okay, that's what we will plan. Not before 7. Not before 7 because some of them are going to college, working, etc. That's why. This is the plan. Next week we decide. So Sunday evening no class because Sunday morning we'll have classes. Bhavana, I know. And one of the weekdays you will not have evening class. Okay, maja madake. Like some of the people would have gone to the office, they would not have been able to cover. That's one of the weekdays. Normally you will not have a class. Are you clear about the concept? How the class happen? Fine. So next. So now you can attend the classes. 6:45. Everybody should attend. Sir, I have to go to the college. I have to go to the office. I know you are not a security in any college or office. Office go ನೀವೇ ತಾನೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ಸೊ 6:45 you must join. However, suppose 8 o'clock you want to leave, 8:30 permission granted only if it's a genuine case of office ಅಥವಾ college going. Shall I repeat? So 6:45 everybody should join. I don't think there will be any unless you are from a Christ college where the college starts at 6:30 like last time Bhavini. Okay, she joined morning, she joined so some days she attended evening class. And foundation inter both first attempt she cleared. Okay, so no issue. But so those people can okay. Athava if you are from a village background, you have to leave for the college early, fine. But others to 6:45, don't miss the classes. Maybe till 8 o'clock you can attend. After that you can leave. Permission granted. If it is a college athava office reason. Sir, daily I want to sleep at 8 o'clock. Adella illa. And evening again, if some of you are having evening college serious, you can miss. But how do I cover it? So next 1 week, all the classes will be given. 1 week ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು playlist ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ fresh ಆಗಿ. However, afterwards, daily morning classes, evening classes, whatever happens, you will be given 24 hours YouTube access. So the best of the best education in online model is first is live classes. You can always discuss and decide. Then you will be given YouTube, whatever happened. Because the offline ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಗಾಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀರಂದ್ರೋ? You cannot. So then whatever the ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ whatever notes has been written, someone will be sharing in the group. WhatsApp, everything will happen. Then weekly test ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಭಾವನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು 3 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ದಸರಾ ಇದಂತ ಉಗಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ಉಗಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಉಗಿ. So my new friends, you will not understand this is the online offline difference ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಬಿಂದು ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ಲು? ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್. ಬಿಂದು ರೆಡ್ಡಿ
Present, sir.
Present, sir. Okay, great. ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಗೋ, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಗೋ ಸಾಕು. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡು ಗೀತನ್ಗೆ. ಗೀತನ್ ನಗೋ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗ. ಟೀಶಾ ಬಂದವನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್?
ಭಾವನ ಉಗಿಯೋದು ಸರ್. ಭಾವನ ಉಗಿಯೋದು ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಸೊ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಸರಾ ಮಜ್ಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇಂದ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ವೀಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. CH ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೇಕನ್ ಕೇರ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಿಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ MK ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ and also foundation interference, please understand. You have a tight schedule. You know what? One of my student, she joined up to 1.5 year to the class. Foundation first and inter first. ಯಾಕೋ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೈನಲ್ 2.5 years ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಧೃತಿ. ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀ, ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್. ನೌ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ಚೈತ್ರ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
I don't want to take a risk of telling that. That's why. So, but still, CA final you 2.5 year time. So intermediate schedule is tight, but in between we have a lot of fun activities, enjoyment irutte. Okay, so Zoom online live plus YouTube irutte plus what do you call ನಿಮ್ಮ friend circle ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Weekly test irutte, mock test irutte, revision irutte. In addition to that, we'll also conduct yoga classes, speak, learn and conquer what do you call communication improvement classes coming week. So now the date ನಾಳೆ ಫೈನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. We are also planning to go to Mysore by God's grace. ಅಮ್ಮನ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ we'll all go to Mysore. ಯಾರು ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 35 to 50 people ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಔಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದು. ದಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೈಟ್ ಬರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 25th year. November 1st, we have a big celebration. So thousands of people joining. So that's why it should be the best batch. And November 1st, most result may not come. C Institute. So you do not have any pressure also. Lot of fun activities. Enjoy ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು and September 25 foundation friends you'll get 2 full batches of intermediate. One fees whatever 31608, 2 full batches, and the right batch, because intermediate you have to go a little more deep compared to the foundation, is the right batch required. Okay, Varsha? Next. Anybody has any question to ask, you can ask. Yes, sir. Aditya Vijay, please.
Yes, sir. So when you said 6:45 to 10, 15 minutes is before 7, right?
Break.
No, sir. I mean, before the class starts. Does it start at 40 or 7?
At least 7 o'clock. From Monday onwards, original time 6:45 class starts straight away. 6:45 to 8:15, one class. Then 8:15 to 8:30 break. 8:30 to 10, second class in the morning.
Okay.
So morning 2 classes, sir. And evening 7:30 to 9:30, only one class.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, till Sunday starts at 7 o'clock. All of you. Majja. Okay? Tanusri BR, Tanusri CN. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್. ಭಾವನಾ, ತನುಶ್ರೀ. ಹಾಯ್ ತನುಶ್ರೀ. ಧಾರವಾಡನಾ? ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ.
ಸರ್, 2 ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಎರಡಾ?
ಮೂರು.
5 ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ ತನುಶ್ರೀ, ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಎಂತ ಬಕಾಸುರ್ ಇದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ? ನೋಡ್ದಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು?
ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಅವಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳೋ? ಅವಳು ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ, ಮೂಡುಬಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಚಿತ್ರಲೇಖ ಮೂಡುಬಿದ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮೂಡೇ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮೂಡುಬಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ ಚಿತ್ರ? ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಂಡಕ್ಕಿ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ ತನುಶ್ರೀ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಾಡಿ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ? ಇದು ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2-3 days ಯು ಮೇ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋಣ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋ. ನಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಒಂದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜೋಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೇ 1 only you have to maintain 2 books per subject. ಒಂದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬುಕ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 200 pages ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬುಕ್. So 200 page special book ಅಲ್ಲಿ whatever income tax I keep telling, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ you have to maintain other books also. Okay, other books also you have to start maintaining. Okay na? CA is easy, everybody can do it. Only thing is focused approach ಬೇಕು. Focused, in between distraction ಆಗೋದು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಂಗೇರಿ ಕೊರಿಯನ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ. ಕೆಂಗೇರಿ ಮೋರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊರಿಯನ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ನೋಡೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಭವಾನಿ ಹೌದಲ್ವ ಹೇಳೋ? ಭವಾನಿ ಸ್ಟೀವ್ ಹೌದಲ್ವ ಹೇಳು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಫನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, 30 level ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ರೈಟ್, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Concluding statement. Any of your friends anywhere in India ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ದವ್ರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾರು CA ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವರದಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಬಟ್ ಐ ನೋ ವಿ ಹವ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ನನಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟು ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ and I am a very small man, and he is a genius. Okay, but since I was coming andre entrance alli I sent the HR manager to welcome me, and 3 hours the top MD spent time with me. You know what is that MD is? His turnover of the company is 2,500 crore per annum. ಎಷ್ಟು? 2,500 ಕೋಟಿ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ. ಅವರಂತವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಈ ಸೇಸ್ you are leading by an example, maybe because of the CAS foundation, other things what we do, I don't know. Okay, and when I said 2,500 CS, he was like this, 2,500 CS have passed anta. Avrige 510 CS pass agodu difficult. How is it anta? Irli. So you trust yourself and do it. So your foundation friends anywhere they can join this batch. Intermediate friends yaru jana beko, final BCom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಸಿ ಎ ಟಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನು ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, 1 week ಹಂಗೆ ಡೆಮೋ ಸೆಷನ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಓವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಸಾಕು, ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಇವತ್ತು whoever has attended earlier batches, earlier classes, you should not answer. Only our new friend should answer. Is it clear? Yeah. Whenever I ask questions, so whoever has attended classes earlier, because previous batch ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ, you should just ha ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then whenever required, I'll ask the question. Yes. CA intermediate ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are 6 subjects. Beautiful subject. All of you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This kind of material will be given to each one of you. Ella subject ಗೆ beautiful material ಇದೆ. Thank you, sister. That's okay. So this is about the CAPS details. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. Okay, those will moment you register. So last 2 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have got 12 all India ranks. Okay, all India ranks. Okay, so May 25 recent ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾಜಾ. Okay, so we are about getting all India rank 45. So these are the rank holders. 14th rank in Inter, 14th recent. Okay, 14th rank in final, 2nd rank in CS ಅಲ್ಲಿ she is then 47th rank CA, then Suyakta Bhatt 45th rank. These are the rank holders. Yes. So you ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let us start. The very auspicious day. Yes. Start.
CA intermediate. CA intermediate. CAPS roadmap to success.
ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ.
I am here to clear CA in first attempt.
So everything depends on what you think. I am what I'm thinking of. You are what you think you are. Okay. Start thinking positive about you. Start thinking good about you. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 4:30ಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣೇಶ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಭಜನೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್, ಸುತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು AI ಅಂತ ಏನು ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್, ನಂದು AI ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ಲು. ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಮೀಟ್ ಮೀ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಯು ಮೀಟ್ ಮೀ, ನೈಟ್ ಯು ಮೀಟ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಜೋಶ್. ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿತ್ರಲೇಖ ಇಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ start thinking that you can. You start, you see, I think Smita Kede, okay, in foundation level, madam, last week I had been to Mangalore for a PU teachers training. She was so inspired. She said, Makul join ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, I am joining ಅಂತ. She's already joined a CA foundation class. I mean, she's the principal of a college. She's elder than me. Okay, elder than me. Andre, I was come across that incident multiple times, but awesome. So believe in yourself, you can. That's very important. So ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದ್ದವರು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು ಟುಡೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಟುಡೇ ದ ವೆರಿ ಆಸ್ಪಿಷಿಯಸ್. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನವರಾತ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಗಣೇಶ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಗಳ ವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಸಿಟ್ ಒಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಐ ಶಾಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ CA ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್. ಐ ಶಾಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಬೇಡ, ಐ ಶಾಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ CA ವಿತ್ 600 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 600 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, 500 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, 300 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದರ್ಶನ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ, ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಮೀ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಡ್ರಾ LBM ಸರ್. ಸಿ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್? ನಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್, वो भी बराबर है, बट इसमें भी वो इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. ठीक है, राइट. So I shall pass with 600 out of 600 intermediate. That's the target. Keep telling and trust me, it will happen. Okay. I was attending art of living classes. Bore ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
No, sir.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತ ಅರ್ಷಿತ? ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತೇನೆ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ there I saw some young teachers, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ತಾನೇ they are smiling. I was maybe 15 years back, I'm telling you, I was wanting to go art of living session model, you'll always be very happy. Then I asked one of the young teachers, Madam, now art of living model could you'll become so happy. But you always smile. No. Our Guruji has told, keep smiling. That itself will become an attitude. So even if it is artificial, fake it. Then you make it. It may sound stupid. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. When you keep smiling, ಹಂಗಂತ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಡಿ, ಹುಚ್ಚರು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ರ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀ ಅಂತ ಕಿಸಿ ಬೇಡ ಇದು. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಚಿತ್ರ?
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಮೈ ನ್ಯೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಜೋಶ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪ್ರಣೀತಾ? ಚೂರು ನಗಮ್ಮ, ಒಂದು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗ ಸಾಕು. ಪವನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಸೊ start thinking you can. ನಾನು ದೇವರ ದಯದಿಂದ till now, any session if I have taken, even some of the sessions what I have taken, some huge, they say, how can you take like this? Not that knowledge I have greater than others, but the confidence I always have the best. Okay. What is there? So what of the model? Adhe tara, right? I am here to pass CA. I shall pass CA with 600. 600 barley, 500 barley, 400, doesn't matter. Your objective is to work for 600 and it is not 600 out of 600, it is 600 out of 684. Extra questions ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 600 you can get nothing wrong. Normally science student accounts foundation 100 out of 100. Okay. Anything can happen. Gaurav TJ with the name I'm telling you. Okay. And he went and wrote IIM CAT exam casually. He got selected all 6 IIMs. And he selected IIM Ahmedabad. And today sitting in Mumbai giving consultancy to Singapore government. Nam student. Early 30s earning in crores. Okay. Very proud. So start believing in yourself. Yes, Akka.
Yes, sir. I shall certainly do the following. 100% regular to the class.
So when I say regular, 100%. Now, only thing is some people have already committed. Yeah, some temple trip they would have planned. Something you have planned already, that's okay. Otherwise, sir, my relatives marriage anta. Yardu? Close relative. Yaru? My sisters, cousins, dodapas, chikapas, mammaga, tatas, ajjis, dash, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Your own marriage also, I'll give time. 11:30 the muhurtam, 10 o'clock class gets over, go, tie the knot, come back to the class. That's it. Bhavana. That should be the commitment. Dhruti, gotaita? That should be your own marriage also. First of all, see, I think tomorrow Lakshmama will tell Dhruti, should you marry or not anta. So, ಏನ್ ನಿತ್ಯ? ಹೇಳು ನಿತ್ಯ, ಹೇಳೋ ಜ್ವರ ಹೇಳೋ. ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ, ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
Don't get married.
Don't get married. You'll give the same idea to your children also?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, good. So, Sisha, ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ. ನಿಂದ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್, ನಿಮ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ. So 100% regular means regular. Come what? You have to come with the josh. You have to come with that josh that, oh wow, today I'm going to learn this. Wow. It may not be that every subject may be interesting, but come with the josh. Yes.
Punctual to the class.
Those who attended the previous classes, 7 means 6:55. New students, Papa, naale bilige. So especially foundation, you are always used to evening classes, morning bala kasta ate. Make it a habit to get up at 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ physical activity ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ, stretching ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ, physical ತುಂಬಾ heavy ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Better to have bath and sit in the class. But online ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಓಕೆ. ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I always used to, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ person next to you should not die, no, because if you have not had a bath. I know Deepavali is fast approaching. Bhavana Chitralekha says Deepavali onsala ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. That's not the case, okay? But have bath, okay? Have bath, okay? ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ? ಸ್ಮಿತಾ. You know, I said what? Have bath ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ? What did Bhavana hear? ಅವಳು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಬಾತ್ ಏನು, ಒಂದಿನ ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತ್, ಒಂದು ಚೌಚೌ ಬಾತ್, ಅವಳು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು.
ರೈಸ್ ಬಾತ್
ಯಾವುದೋ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬಾತ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಾತ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪಕ್ಕ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
100% concentration in the class.
It is not easy, but you have to put that effort. Next.
Read daily, minimum 2 hours. Maximum 4 hours initially, and during last 2 to 3 months, 8 to 12 hours a day.
So around 8 to 10 hours you can read. Daily if you read 2 hours starting, then 8 hours ಓದಿದ್ರು ಸಾಕು. ಅದು last 2 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Next.
Put 120% efforts of my ability.
This is one important psychology. Wherever you are tired, you do little more. Ambika. Wherever you are tired, Amog anta huಡುಗ ಅವನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಅವನು LBM ತರ ಆಗವನೆ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ wherever you think you are tired, do little extra. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Think for a while. Today there is no class. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? Now don't tell me, sir, I would have taken the book, I would have read, I would have all this jokes. Shetty sir will tell. You don't have to. Okay? Don't crack. You would have wasted time. You don't mark. Correct? Whereas now you are in the class. Anyway, some of you would have worked, some of you would have had a hectic day. But still, are you not energetic? Moment I stop the class, you'll be tired. So if I say the class is at 7:30 to 8:30, then 8:35 you would have started looking at the watch. Now 9:30 ವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you'll be energetic. Correct? Dhruti, that's the fact. You can't help it. You can't help it. Now some of them will say, sir, you are tired, you leave anta. Thank you for your concern. I am concerned about your education. Thank you. That is in charge. Okay? And I get more energy when I teach more.
Give more importance for the concepts.
Many institutions will have best of the best teachers. But why probably they are not getting as great result as what we are? CA Inter May 24, 90% result ನಮ್ದು. ನನಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 60 to 80% ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಿನ್ನೆನೊಬ್ಬ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ನೋ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಒಂದು 15 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಬಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಗಲೇ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Concepts are important. Writing is important. When you write the concepts, life will be easy. You just keep on practicing sums. You cannot become a chartered accountant. Next.
Write whatever has been told to write.
CA is writing. CA is writing. If you have the laziness to write, don't do CA. You can't do CA. Next.
Take and write class test seriously.
Take and write what? Class test seriously. Weekly test ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. I don't check every week. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೂಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಐ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಯು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಎನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್, ನಾನು ಪಾಪ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ. ದೆನ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 10 to 12 people say, ಸರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾನು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್. ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? All of them, okay, so I think 80%, 2 of them, 2 days biಟ್ಟು. Next, ಇವತ್ತು 6:45 to 10 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 10 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 125 to 150 pages ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಈಚ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6:45 they were in the class. ಹಿಂಗೆ full day and night they wrote, sent the PDF, and then only I told you can attend the class. And they wrote. And then Arshita, so Arshita KN ಅಂತ, Arshita KN ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಎನ್ನ.
Yes, sir.
ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಎನ್ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಿಲಾಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದವಳು. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಒಂದಿಬ್ಬರು ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರೀತಾನೆ ಅವರೇ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳೋ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. I didn't expect them to complete all the 10 tests in a day and come. They wrote and came, some of them, okay, and 80% of them rather. 2 of them didn't write, then they are still writing the CA intermediate exam. Message delivered? Thank you. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವ ಇನ್ನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ. ಬೇಡ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಬೇಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಬೇಡ ಸರ್.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Care for cares. Commitment, attitude, respect, enjoy education, sincere effort.
So CARES, extremely important. Commitment. ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ಯು ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ CA. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ CA? ಇಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ, ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸೇ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಜೆನ್ನಿ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಜೆನ್ನಿ, ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬಸ್. So suddenly the driver puts a brake, and by mistake he fell on a girl. By mistake, immediately that girl shouts, "Idiot! What are you doing?" Anta. So Pratyush says, "I am doing CA at CAPS." Anta. You know, so that is the commitment, Smita. So that girl Sharma came only, okay, I will also join foundation from next batch. Anta. So with Artha, that should be the comment. Come what may. Again, on a serious note, when Dronacharya asked, okay, so Pandavas and Kauravas, what can you see? Anybody knows what Arjuna's answer was?
Eye of the bird.
So everybody else said, can see the branch, I can see bird. Only Arjuna said, I can see only the eye of the bird. Okay, eye of the bird. Okay, so that should be the focus. Okay, I want that. That's it. Okay, and you are focused. Trust me, life will be beautiful. Commitment. Then your Karna, one of the greatest hero. Even we are very sorry. Yesterday we lost one of the greatest novelist, writer of Karnataka, S.L. Bhairappa. Terrific, amazing writer. Okay, so maybe when I was in PU, okay, some of the novels he has written, unbelievable. S.L. Bhairappa. Parva anta ಒಂದು novel ಇದೆ. Okay, now if you look from the religious angle, you may not like it. Mahabharatana, scientific way he has written. Wow. Wow, but sir, I am a Hindu, I am a Muslim, I am a Christian. You keep it outside. Blood red itಕೊಂಡು ಓದಿ ಅದನ್ನು brilliant novel scientifically. Okay, scientifically how the Pandavas were born. Amazing is actually. Yes, some ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ cranky ಬರೆದವರ. That's okay. That you don't get into that. Okay, but ultimate novel. So Karna, Mahabharata Karna, he knew at the end he is on a wrong side, but he said, I have given commitment to my friend Duryodhana. Come what, man, I'm going to die. Had he changed the side, just like today's politician, you would have been the eldest Pandava and you would have lived like anybody else, better than the king. But that is the commitment. He said, come what, that is why he is still a hero. Assuming you would have switched the side, you would not have been a hero of Mahabharata. You would not have. That is the commitment. Then attitude. Yavaglu positive. Tanushree, you are walking on Tanko. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ತನುಶ್ರೀ ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೋ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರೋ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು ಜೆನಿ, ಲುಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇ ಕ್ರೋ ತಾನೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಕೌಸ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಕೌಸ್, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಕೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈ, so much of cow dung falling on you. Barsat aaya hai. Alva. So can you imagine? No, it's a crow tane. What you can do, Aditya? Crow, it's okay. Crow, it's okay. Little bit shit, it's okay. No, but what you do? Yen madakate, Chitra? Crow ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಓಡಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? So that should be the attitude. ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? CAR, respect education. That's what I learned from the gentleman. I know it, I follow it. Everybody, that yesterday's company, everybody should be given equal respect. Okay, chartered accountant or BBMP worker, all are same. Because Atma is same for everybody, alva. Maybe I have done a good karma in the previous janma. Maybe parents have done some good karma. That's why I'm able to get a good education, blah, blah. Some of them would not. You can't help it. That's a karma siddhanta. But respect every human being equal. Okay, everybody. That's important. CAR, enjoy. So this is one word which has been taught to me by one of my toughest teacher, very disciplined. Enjoy anta. Enjoy. Until then, enjoy andre enu. I thought all nonsense and then I realized, wow, he said enjoy education. Today, the amount of happiness what I get in education, I cannot compare with anything else. When I read some books, when I read some novels, when I read some concepts, I said, wow. And when you learn more and more, you'll come to know how much less and less you know. So when you learn more, illandre see aad kude I am a chartered accountant anta. Matte ononde iga PUC alli 100 out of 100 I got in accounts. Anta outstanding salary entry ಅದು ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವೇನ್ರೋ LBMs ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So just enjoy education, keep learning, knowledge is power. Pandemic has taught the lesson again and again. People having crores together, buildings, everything you can lose. But if you have got the brain, if you are a chartered accountant, nothing can shake you. Your knowledge is always going forward. Then be sincere. This is important. You are all good people, no doubt. I want being at CAPS innu better. Be honest. So now the English statement is, best thing about the truth is you don't have to remember it. Enapa? But look at the beauty, Smita. Wow. The best thing about truth is you don't remember it. Now, I tell, I am wearing a black pant at Ankoli. I tell. Actually, I'm lying. If I tell a black pant, the by mistake, suddenly if I have to get up something, then you see, I am wearing a white panche. Instead, I say white panche, or I am wearing Bermuda. What is wrong? I tell the truth. So then I don't have to hide anything. So that's why be sincere in your, okay. Kabir and Kanakadas, both have similar incident where Guru has told, go and eat the banana in a place where no one is watching. No one is watching. So both similar incident. So they come back and say, everybody, all of them go and eat everywhere. Whereas Kabir and Kanakadas come back with the banana in their hand. Guru asked, why you didn't eat? He said, didn't you find a place where no one is watching? And they come back and say, my consciousness, God is watching me. So how can I eat them? This is where you don't have to please others. You don't have to please others. Okay. They're all temper, including your parents, family members. First, you have to please yourself. Okay. When you please yourself, you will be the happiest person in the world. Okay. You please you do your dharma. You do your duty. Right? Yes. Our elder please world. But you be happy with yourself. Anganta, 5 to 10% when you are trying to be happy, you will somewhere you'll have a negative issues, wrong issues. Enjoy. Enjoy. Good, bad, right. As long as you stuck to morally, ethically, legally correct things, everything is right in this world. Everything is right in this world. Arthak idea. So CARES. Commitment, attitude, respect, enjoy, sincere. Istidre, life is a jingalala. Next.
Prepare, aim, and get 600 out of 684.
You have to work for it. ಈಗ ಅವನು ಹರ್ಷವರ್ಧನ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ. CA ನಲ್ಲಿ getting 40, 50, 60 is a good mark. When he wrote the examination May 23, 8 subject ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಈಗ 6 subject ಆಗಿದೆ. 4 subject ಅಲ್ಲಿ he got 84. 84 into 4 subject. 86, 82, other 2 subjects, and other 2 subjects. Toughest subject he ended up in 70s and he's a 14th rank holder all India. Okay. Anshul Kemuka, the first rank holder of our caps. She got at that time, long back, maybe 20 years back, 421 out of 600. First rank holder all. Okay. Na? So getting this marks possible, but your work is what? Keep working. 735 out of 800 is the CHQ record as of 735 out of 800 is the highest percentage in CA. 735 out of 800. Okay. So that's almost, when someone can get 735, you can get 785 also. You can get 800 also. So your work is for what, Srisha? Hello. 600 out of
800, sir. 800.
Yeah.
600.
Take care of my health. Some physical exercise like walking, yoga, playing, etc.
Yeah, extremely important. Kutkodu hippopotamus agodalla. Some physical activity, some walking, something. And make at least walking and make it as a habit. Okay. In my village, I've seen half kilometer of the train and the bike. They were put it like use matter. I know. So just walk at least on 1 or 2 kilometers, easily walk. But the yoga, etc., will include in our life. But the next week in the yoga, next week and there, maybe October 2nd week. Next.
Always having positive thinking.
Always having positive thinking. Now, positive. Blood group is positive. Continue, buddy. Be positive. Continue, buddy.
I won't do the following: giving lame excuses, cheating myself educationally, neglecting health, excessive usage of mobiles, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. 40% of the marks is lost.
So idella bedadella ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Next.
Interestingly, CA pass marks is also 40%. Attending unwanted, unnecessary functions, being abnormal, sleeping for more than what is required for my body, 6 to 8 hours.
ನಿಮಗೆ 6 to 8 hours ಸಾಕು. This is what is supposed. 6 to 8 hours ಬೇಜಾನ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ? When you do physical activity ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Books ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Relax. So now I'll not discuss this. Just to tell you, we have 6 subjects. Accounting is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ in depth. Adu compared to foundation, it is much easier. Okay. And trust me, CA final accounts is easier than this also. I am very serious. I'm not joking. Okay. Then corporate and other law, there is nothing but compel law for 70 marks, other law for 30 marks. This is the beauty. My favorite subject. You will also start loving it. 50 marks. Income tax. Next 50 marks. Window. Good night, sweet dream. Thank you. Manusri BR. BR. GST. Then we have a cost and management accounting for 100 marks. Then auditing we have is a pure theory paper for 100 marks. Then last subject, FM is for 50 marks. SM is for 50 marks. Okay. So the 6th subject, beautiful subject. Whatever financial transactions you have done, account for the same in a legally correct manner. Whatever you earn, pay the taxes. It should not cost you too much. So that so auditor will keep a proper check of the same, and you should manage your funds strategically well. They are the 6 subjects. Account for the financial transaction in a legally required manner, so that whatever you earn, you have to pay the taxes without incurring too much of cost, so that auditor will take care of keeping the transactions in a financially well systematic and strategic manner. These are the 6 subjects. And each subject minimum estimate Kshetra Aka 40 and total
40, sir.
Total 300 perfect. These are the 6 subjects. All the subjects we have got a subject experts. Accounts I will be handling. Not expert I know gottilla, but 25 years teach ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, hopefully. And I got 100 out of 100 also at final level. Forget about foundation inter. Then law will be handled by the great Mehul sir. So who is again hyper-energetic chartered accountant, lawyer, etc. 100% he is only going to handle. Income tax 100% by me. GST 100% by one more impactful rank holder student of CAPSA and rank holder throughout the SMSR. Then cost and management accounting will be handled by, partially by me. Also the standard topics by me. Other reasonable standard topic by Aman Shetty sir. Okay. Auditing will be handled by one more terrific faculty, Siddharth sir. Okay. FM 100% by passionate Aman sir. SM the great Radhi Manwani sir. Okay. This is the faculty. I will be introducing them individually. This is about it. Yes. Yes, Aditya, hey sir, what's the doubt?
No, sir, sorry, I not doubt, but then when you mentioned the GST, it's that when I used to work for 2 years in a accounting firm, I used to file GST.
Okay, that's good. Very nice, very nice. You learned something. It's good. It's going to be useful for you.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you. Yes, right, very nice. Right. So this it will be discussing all these things, how to handle ella. Adu matte nodu. Okay. So the target 600 out of 684, and you should ensure, and trust me, this is gettable. Gettable. ಅದು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೇ 1, ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಶುರು. ಐ ನೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ 2.5 years ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂಬಿಕಾ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಪುಟ್ ಐನೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏಮ್ ಎಟ್ 100, 90 ಬಂದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾ 95, 85, taxation 95 if it is easy, 85. Costing you can get easily 100 or 90 easy. Auditing 90. Auditing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಿ 95. ಪ್ರಿಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ 11th rank. Bhavani ST. Next FMSML 90, 80. So aim at something around 570. If you get 570, you are a first rank holder all India. Or 510, you will be any one rank holder all India. This is what the beauty. Okay na? Then at least I should get one paper above 80. So law 60, taxation 70. I'm just giving an average mark. 80, 60, 425 is the distinction mark. Adu agilva kiseke 2 subjects alli at least 70 ತೆಗೆರಿ, ಅದರ್ 4 subjects ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ತೆಗೆರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ PUC 10th ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ 10th ಮತ್ತೆ PUC ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 10th ಮತ್ತೆ PUC ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ 340. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್. ಅದು ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಹೇಳು ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು. 2 papers 70s. Out of 6 subjects, 2 papers you can get 70 na. Aram say 2 papers. Other 4 subjects 40s. 70 into 2 is to 140.
140.
40 into 4 ಎಷ್ಟು?
160.
140 plus 160 ಎಷ್ಟು?
300.
ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದೆ ಅಂತ ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಟಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಇದು 40s, ಬಟ್ 40ಗೆ ಏಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಏಮ್ ಎಟ್ 60. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 60ಗೆ ಏಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 40, 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ತಾಜಾ ಕವರ್, ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕವರ್. ಇದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್, May 25 ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಭಟ್ ಅಂತ, ಈ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ PUC, ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು, ಹರ್ಷವರ್ಧನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU, ಸುವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU ರ್ಯಾಂಕರ್, ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಟಾಪ್ 50, ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ marks are only 2 papers they have got little lesser. That's why their rank position has come down. Otherwise, they are almost like first rank holder. Accounts 89 is the first rank holder. These people also end up almost 84. Decently same mark. This 45th rank, Suvektam, this 14th rank, first rank. Law only 79. Illi number student 84. Esto 84, which is higher than the first 3 rank holders mark. Are you catching my point? That means our law faculty can be better. Whereas where Suvekta lost the mark is because of this. He got little lesser in 2 papers. Then taxation notice. This May 25, 78 the first rank holder mark. So,
Yes, sir.
whereas Suvekta mark 82. So, who is better? CAP student has got more mark than the first rank holder also. Same way, if you look at the CMA, 93, 88, almost same. Whereas here he got amazing. Even Dev, who got first rank, okay, 94. Here, Suvekta got little lesser mark. 80, somewhere around 74. That's okay. So, every subject here, faculty here, actually can contribute for the first rank. Only thing is, you should do the best. Yaar ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದೇವರು?
ನಾನು
Yes. Start. With this, let us start. ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
No,
ಬೇರೆ
sir.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಒಂಚೂರು
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಒಂಚೂರು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಏನೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 5 minutes ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದು ಗಣೇಶ ಇನ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಬ್ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದು ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್, ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಗಣೇಶ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಗೌರಿ ಗಣೇಶ
ಸರ್, ನಾವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೋಟಾ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ದಸರಾ. ವಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
ದಪ್ಪ ದೋಸೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಡೋದು?
ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಗಣೇಶ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀಸನಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭರತ್ ಭಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈಗಲೇ. ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ದಿವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂಥರ ಫನ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್. ಯು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್. ಮನೆಗೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
ಸರ್, ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಲೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾನೇ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇದು ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ದಡಿದೆ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇರ್ಲಿ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. Yeah. The way this gentleman yesterday visited and 2,500 crores. Does it look like an industry? It industry ಒಳಗೆ. It is like a forest. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲಿ as maintained. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು and all employees are so happy. 2,500 employees. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮಗೆ SMS ಹೇಳೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತೋಟದೊಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಾಗಾಯ್ತು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ when I went there I was surprised to see ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲಿಡಿತಾನೆ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟನ್ಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ he was so happy. He is a gentleman, just young, 79 years young. Okay, and esto 2,500 crore turnover every year and so simple, down to earth. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಬಂತು. ಡ್ಯೂರೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನೋ ಕಳಿಸವ್ರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವರ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ 31st October. ಈಗ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಈಗ. ಏನು 1st November is our big celebration. We'll see. ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೀಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. All of this is straight, relax and chill. Income tax. What is income tax? All new friends ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. New friends ಅಂದ್ರೆ new to me. ಇಲ್ಲಿ new friends ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇರಿ. ಯಾ, ಹೇಳಿ. What is income tax? ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಬಂದವರು. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಹೇಳೋ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಕೆ.
ಸರ್, ನಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿಯಿಂದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಹೇಳಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅದರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಮೇಘನಾ ರಾವ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳೆ, ಅನುಶ್ರೀ ಪಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್? ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? ವಜಾನಾ ತೆಫ್ಲಾ.
Sir,
what is income tax?
tax on the income we earn.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಅರ್ನ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ and you're right. Yes. Now, two things. I am working under Sherin Limited because Saturday Sunday holiday ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ ಶೆರಿನ್? ಶೆರಿನ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಅಂತೂ ಪಕ್ಕ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಾಸೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಸೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಏನೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ ಶೆರಿನ್? ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ Sherin Limited and I'm getting a salary, let's say 10 lakh rupees per annum. On that I have to pay the tax. That is income tax. Next, myself and Pavitra Lodlu. Pavitra 1 hour. Pavitra Uttadavadu. Namaskara. Myself and Pavitra ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಫುಲ್ಲು ವೆಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್, ನನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿಗಾರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 hour ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ LBMs. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಮಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್. And we earn 500 crores, Satvik. Should we pay the tax on it? Tanushree BR? Pratyush says no. Nakos are UP mein wo aisa nahi chata hai. UPL aisa nahi to Yogi ji will just damar. Answer
yes,
is
sir, they will
yes.
only sue.
Kya bhai Pratyush? Bolo.
They will be indirectly sued.
Indirectly ashte. So, Ryan, income tax is a tax on total income earned by an SSC during the previous year, chargeable to tax in assessment year, which you have not understood, relax. Government is spending lot of money on roads, infrastructure, health. They require money. There are multiple ways. One of the major sources of collecting the revenue is taxes. So one is direct tax, one is indirect tax. I earn income, I myself have to pay. That's called direct tax. Whereas all of you turn your notes book, last page ನೋಡಿ, ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವರ್ಷ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದೆ? MRP rupees.
Inclusive
of all the taxes.
Which tax you have paid? GST. You have paid GST journey to the government indirectly. You are paid indirectly. That's called indirect tax. Where incidence and impact is on the same person, that's called direct tax. Where incidence and impact is on two different persons, called indirect taxes. So direct tax, a best example is income tax. What? Ramya? Income tax.
Income tax.
What is income tax? Tefla? Tax on total income. So what is total income? Sit straight. I am working under Sharing Limited. I get salary. What I get?
Salary.
Pressure. After receiving salary, where do you go? ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ. Where do you go? Bhavana. Home. Very good. Aditya. So income from house property. Then what do you do? It is raining daily in the evening, Bhavani. So you do Pani Puri business.
Pani Puri business.
You know, Dhruti? Pani Puri. Nitya. Hele, Nitya.
Pani Puri business.
ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಹೇಳುವಾಗಲೇ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾನಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ, ಅಲ್ವೇ? ರೈಟ್.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಲಿಖಿತ ಎಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ರಾಜಶ್ರೀ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊ ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಸುಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅವೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸುಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೀಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ಸುಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ. ಓ, ಏನು ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಬೇರೆ LBM. ಏಯ್ ಏನೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್. Why yellow today?
Just
Why
like
yellow?
that. Just like that, sir.
Just like that, Allah. Today yellow for two reasons. One is Thursday is yellow. Second one is Dasra has got colors. Okay, so that is yellow today. Okay, and it's coincidentally matching. Okay, tomorrow is green irbekala. Dasra color.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
ಅವಳು ನೋಡಿ, ಅವಳು ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ನಾಯ್ಡು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇರ್ಲಿ. Right. So I come home, house property. Evening I do Pani Puri business income. Sell, Srisha, your wife's jewelry. You get capital gain. Then that money you keep as an FD. Okay? FD. Okay? When you keep it as an FD, you get income from other source. So totally 5 heads of income. Tanushree, yes. Tanushree, BR.
Yes, sir.
What? 3 Tanushree idare. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ. So how many heads of income you have? 5 heads. How to remember? So simple. Look at this. I work under someone, income from salary. Come home, Nagashri, house property. Evening you do business income. Then sell asset, capital gain. Whatever money comes, you get keep an FD, you get income from other source. How many heads of income?
5 heads.
5 heads of income. So when I add all those, that's called gross total income. What is it called?
Gross total.
It's called gross total income. Kanika. So from the gross total income, Prisha Shetty, you get some deduction. So gross total income, you get somewhat deduction. So the difference is called total income. So just to mention, assuming all of you listening.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Assuming I receive salary income of 2 lakh, house property income of 2 lakh, business income of 2 lakh, capital gain of 2 lakh, other source of 2 lakh. So when I add up whatever I get, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
10 lakh gross
income.
This is called gross total income. So ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ? 5 heads of income. So simple. I work under someone salary. After receiving salary, I come home, house property. Do Pani Puri business income, sell jewelry, capital gain, keep EFT, income from other source. I hope you understood. So these are 5 heads of income. Now, without explaining much, tomorrow I'll explain in detail. Sadyake, all of you remember, there are 2 regimes of taxation. How many regimes?
2 regimes.
2 regimes.
One is called old regime, one is called new regime. Now, what do you think? Sir, old regime I will not study. Anna, 80% of your syllabus is old regime. Regime spelling in Nagashri, REGIME. Regime ಅಥವಾ regime. Chinmay. So, what is that? Vidashini? Old regime ಅಥವಾ new regime. So, old regime andre, you don't say, oh, it is of Tatan Kala. They have given a different law. So 80% of intermediate syllabus you will be learning old regime. New regime also you will be learning. So, Sadhyake, whatever I teach, which is there in your syllabus for all of you, everybody should know up to 2,50,000 you don't have to pay the tax. Simple example, all of you have a bank account?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unmute ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ದರ್ಶನ್ unmute ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಲೇಸಿನೆಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನೋ ಅನ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ ಅವನು ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡತ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡ ಕಣ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಶಿರ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇದೆ ಏನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೇನೋ
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ having 5 heads of income, there's a total income, total करने के बाद 2.5 लाख से कम है तो टैक्स नहीं भरना है, 2.5 लाख से ज्यादा है तो टैक्स भरना है. How to do it, we'll teach you tomorrow. Now, interesting is, all of you have SB account, you said. And if you check your passbook, some amount of interest you earn, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, whatever, some amount. That means all of you have income, but you never paid the tax, rightly, because your income is below 2 lakh. It is below 2,50,000. That's why you didn't pay the taxes. I earn, let's say, 10 lakh income, I have to pay the tax. Smita is earning 20 lakh income, she has to pay the tax. Chaitra is earning 50 lakh, she has to pay the taxes. Kashyap is earning 100 lakh, he has to pay the tax. Dhriti, the student, earning 10,000 interest, she doesn't have to pay the taxes. Are you clear, Baba? All of you understanding?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 heads of income, easy to remember. All of you sit straight, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Something very merciless, just visualize. Working under Shirin, salary. Come home, house property. Do Pani Puri business, business income. Sell jewelry, capital gain. Keep an FD interest, income from other source. How many heads of income we have? 5 heads. Don't take a chance. Ange malko bidbedi. Open your eyes. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆನಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 5 heads of income total income below 2.5 lakh you don't have to pay, above 2.5 lakh you have to pay. First point. Second point, for all of you sitting here, some of you are writing in May 26, September 26 ಅಥವಾ January 27. Okay, anytime you are writing examination, there is some concept called previous year and assessment year.
Previous year and
PYAY. So for all those who are writing in May, September, ಅಥವಾ January 27, for all of you, your previous year is 2025-26. And assessment year is 2026-27. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. The year in which you earn income is called previous
year.
Immediate next year in which you are supposed to pay the tax is called
Assessment year.
So now some of my friends may be writing in January 26 also. In the previous year is 24-25. But old regime, which is 80% same, I said, no difference between 24-25 and 25. All same, no change at all. New regime is small change, which I'll let you know at the end. Sadyake, don't worry. Are you listening? So for all of you, so whatever the law we are teaching is for a previous year, 25-26. So now, what is the date today? Elro, unmute quickly. What is the date today?
26 September 2025.
September 2025 falls in which year? First April
25-26.
First April 2025 to 31st March 2026. So your previous year is 25-26. All of you understanding?
Yes.
And next year is not assessment year. Next year. So whatever you earn Pranav in 25-26, you have to pay the tax in assessment year 26-27. Understood? Don't worry too much about it. January 26 ಅವರಿಗೆ 24-25 previous year ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ 25-26 previous year. But I'm telling you, January 26 ಅಥವಾ May 26 law is absolutely same. Only new regime ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2% change ಇರುತ್ತೆ, which I'll let you know. Otherwise, every law is changed. There is no much changes between this year and next year. Shall I?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So income tax, the tax means income tax. Earlier we had some fringe benefit tax, they're not relevant. On total income means all the heads ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡೋದು. Some deductions ಏನೋ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ earned by an SSE. Now interesting. You have to respond to me. Are you a person? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Batra? Oh, Batra. Video on Batra? Yes, sir. So, Tilak, are you a person? Mahima Rao? Oh. Are you a person?
Yes, sir.
Answer is yes.
Yes, sir.
Lord Venkateshwara, Tirupati, collecting crores together money. Is he a person? New friends?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes? No?
No, sir.
No?
Yes.
Yes?
sir.
Yes, sir.
No? ಪದ್ಮಾವತಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Answer is yes. Tanushree, yes. Answer is yes. Dhruti, answer is yes. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ತಿರುಪತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ crores together money is collecting there. You know why? To pay the interest on the loan what he has taken from Kubera for the marriage. Serious. So he is also person. Now, sir, Lord Venkateshwara has to pay the tax. I didn't say that. My question is he a person? Answer is yes. Shantakumar, is he a person? Answer is yes. What is the difference between a person and SSE? Person, who within bracket 31. Hele, previous batch. Andre, those who attend quickly.
Person includes individual HUF, company,
individual
firm,
HUF, company,
AOP or
firm,
BOI, whether
AOP or
incorporated or not,
incorporated or not,
artificial judicial person and
artificial
local
judicial
authority.
person, not mentioned above.
You are not complete. You are right, but you are not complete. Anybody? Quick. Complete it.
Where the above last three
AOP or
items are
not if they are profit motive
whether
or
the
not,
business
they
is
are
profit oriented or not.
Very good. Excellent. Section 2 within bracket 31. Tension ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Just touching reference. Person includes individual like you and me. We are individuals?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chitra, pinch ಮಾಡೆ. Feel ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನೆ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Individual. HF. ನಾಳೆ ನೀನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಜಮಾನರು, ತಮ್ಮನ್ ಗೌಡ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಖುಷಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ರಮ್ಯಾ? ಮೂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ರಮ್ಯಾ? ಹಿಂದೂ ಅನ್ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಅನುಶ್ರೀ, ಏನೋ ಹಿಂದೂ ಅನ್ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, individual HF, company, what you're going to learn in a company law. Then firm, partnership firm is also person. Then AOP or BOI, whether incorporated or not. ಏನು AOP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಹನಾಯಂ?
Association of
persons. BOI ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ವೈಶಾಲಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಗ? ಬಾಯ್. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾರು ನಿನ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಏನೇ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕ? BOI ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು?
ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು. ಅದೇನೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀಯ ಸುಪ್ರಾಜ್ಞ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಕೃತಿಕಾ MES. So AOP and BOI, they are association, like you would have seen Basanagudi Stree Sangha. Then member ಏನೋ ಜೆನ್ನಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ. ಹೇಳೋ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ತಿಲಕ್
ಸರ್,
ಏನೋ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಸಂಘ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್, ದಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಡೈಸ್, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. AOP BOI. ದೆನ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ. ಏನ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕಾ, ದೆನ್ ತಾಲೂಕ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್, village panchayat, they are all persons. Then any other person, artificial juridical person, trust irbodu, cooperative society irbodu, all of them are persons. So income tax alli there are 7 categories of persons. Order alli helಬೇಕು. PUC BCom and CA ಗೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. PUC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್, ಕಂಪನಿ, HF. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ಗ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ individual, HF, company, firm, AOP or BOI, whether incorporated or not, local authority, artificial juridical person. Next. Sir, we have a CAPS Foundation, NGO idiyalva. Adu they are for charitable purpose alva. So, is it a person? They say, whether you are a NGO, whether you are for PO, doesn't, you are a person. Person is different from SSC. Who is a person? You are a person, I am a person. Who is an SSC? SSC is a person who is liable to pay the taxes. Now, this SSC may be a new word for all of you, majority of you. Relax. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? ಹಾ, ನೋಡಿಲಿ. As a C. ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಚಿತ್ರ? As a C. As a C. Okay? Right. Right. Person, illiದೆ definition. Right. So there are 7 categories of person. Then there is an SSC. Now, what is the fundamental difference of the ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು conclude today's class? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ದರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೈಥಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ನೇಮ್. ಅನುಸೂಯನ ಯಾರೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸತ್ಯ ಅನುಸೂಯನ ಯಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅನುಸೂಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. A lady, okay, was the queen in a kingdom. Okay, so she was a queen. Then obviously her husband was the king. Then her in-laws were unfortunately blind, and this queen never had children. Okay, so this is the position. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ, ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ her in-laws, okay, ಅತ್ತೆ ಮಾವ, they are totally blind, and this ganda and Raja and Queen, they never had kids. So this is the position. One day the king, when he went for a war, unfortunately he lost his life. Okay, then she was a very good bhakte. She was a very ardent follower of the God. She said, I did so many things good, but why all these things? And she started praying. She died in tapasya. Then God said, yes, you are very good, but I'll give you only one boon. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದೇ ವರ ಕೇಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ವರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿನಗೆ, ನೀನು ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಕೇಳೋದು. She simply said, I want my in-laws to see my son being crowned as the king of this kingdom. I just love this kind of thing. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. Look at the intelligence. So ಇದು ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. So what did she say? I want my in-laws to see my son being what? Crowned as a king of this kingdom. All the 3 things in one shot. This is what CA goes. So our in-laws, if they have to see, they should get the eye power. Then obviously our son ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ our husband should be alive again. Okay, ನೀವು ಕೆಲವು ಅನ್ಕೋತಾರ, ಹೊಸತ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಸನ್, ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೈಥಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಚಿತ್ರಲೇಖ ಅವಳು ಹೊರಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಲು, ಭಾವನ ಕರೆಯವಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಗು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಓದಿಯೇ, ಚಿತ್ರ ಓ ಚಿತ್ರ, ಚಿತ್ರ ಓ ಚಿತ್ರ, ಚಿತ್ರ ಓ ಚಿತ್ರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಳು ಚಿತ್ರ ಆಗ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು
ಸರ್, ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ?
ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಜೋಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅದು ನಿನ್ ತರನೇ ನೆಟ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ.
ನಿನ್ ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರ್ಲಿ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಿತ್ತಾಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು SSCಗೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. How many of you think you are a person? You can raise your hand if you are a person. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೈಯದ್ ಯೂಸೆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೇನೋ? ಶರಣ್ಯ ಮೇಘ, ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್, ವರದರಾಜ್, ಪವಿತ್ರ ವರದರಾಜ್, ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅನನ್ಯ ಎಸ್, ಮೋಹನ್. So everybody is a person. Everybody is a person. All of you are person. You are an individual, alva? You are a person. No lower than. How many of you have filed income tax? Smita maybe she would have been, I don't know. If some of them have earned income, you would have filed. How many of you have filed your ITR? Raise your hand. Nimdu ITR. Nimdu ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದಲ್ಲ. Nimdu ITR file ಮಾಡಿದೀನೆ? Yeah. Smita madam, you worked on, I think. You filed your ITR. Okay, now look at this. So she's an engineer background. Okay, for information. So, Smita, raise your hand. You filed ITR ಅಲ್ವಾ? Income return file ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ? ನಿಮ್ದು. Right. Now, all of us are persons. Everybody is a person because we are individual. Whereas ಈ batch ಅಲ್ಲಿ myself and Smita, we are also assessees. ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Every assessee is a person. Sumukha, every assessee is a person, but every person need not be assessee. Ramya is a person, but Ramya is not an assessee. Tanushree is a person. Tanushree is not an assessee. Smita is a person as well as assessee. Say Smita is earning, let's say, 10 lakh income ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಸನು ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರ ರಿಟರ್ನು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಎವ್ರಿ assessee, ಪ್ರಿಯದರ್ಶಿನಿ, every assessee is a person, but every person need not be assessee. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? All the students are persons. All the students need not be assessee. ತಿಲಕ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ದೇವರಿಗೆ?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So who is a person? Who is a person?
We are the persons.
Everyone are
Yes.
All of us are person. So every assessee is a person, but every person need not be assessee. Dhruti is a person, not an assessee. Bhavani is a person, not an assessee. Smita is a person as well as assessee. Are you crystal clear about the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Anybody has any other things to ask? You can ask. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಿಲ್ವೇನ್ರು? ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಆಜ್ಞಾಪಟ್.
ಸರ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಏನು?
ಈಗ ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರಮ್ಮ. ಈಗ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ CH ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟರ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, CH ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್. CH ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, 2 RMRs. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಔಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೊರಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಹೇಳು, ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಬಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ. ಓದಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಓದಿ.
ಸಾವಿಲ್ಲದ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಸಿವೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಎಂದ ಬುದ್ಧ.
ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬುದ್ಧಂದು ಒಂದು ಕೇಸು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಗುಂಡಿ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಎಂದ ಸಿದ್ಧ.
ಸಿದ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೋ? ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ
ಒಬ್ಬ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ.
ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ GST rates have come down from yesterday, ದರ್ಶನ್. ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ GST ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಈ ತರ ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈಕ್. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಜೋಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷ್, some of the jokes you would have heard, it's okay, just relax, was going in a bike. He was wearing Royal Enfield ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. He was wearing a jacket. On the back side of the jacket, it was written, ಏನಂತ? If you can read this, please tell me that my girlfriend has fallen off the bike. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ. If you can read this, please tell me that. So stop the bike and tell that my girlfriend has fallen. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? If girlfriend was sitting in the bike, how will you be able to read? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾರೆ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಗೆ, ಒಂದು 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ನಗು. ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್, ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬೈಕ್. ಆಗ ಬೈಕ್ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಸಮುರಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ one of my friends had come. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ 2 wheelers 3 wheelers ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಬೈಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ಸರಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೋನ್, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೈಲ್ಗಲ್ಲು ಏನೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎನಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 kilometer ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ನು ಇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ನಾನು ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೀದಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ, ನಗ್ನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆರಸೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈಗಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿಶಾಚರ ರಾಕ್ಷಸರ ಥರ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಫುಲ್ ಎದ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ರಾಕ್ಷಸರ ಥರ ಆಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. 10:30 11 o'clock ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ 11 to 6 ಮಲಗಿದ್ದು 7 hours ಬಿಜ್ಜನೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 7 hours ಸ್ಲೀಪ್. ದೆನ್ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಸೊ 6:45 ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ. 7 o'clock is the class tomorrow. So first class of costing for all the new batch friends, and income tax I continue at 8:30. Okay, tomorrow evening also you have a class. Okay, right. So whoever has attended class earlier also, from now on fresh agella cover ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, even if you miss some classes, nothing to worry. Yes, so anybody want to talk to me personally, you can stay back. Others, bye, see you.